In this video, we will go over how to perform a multi-ID setup using a multi-axis Titan 4VX controller. The Titan 4VX board that we will be using has 4 Titan cores, all with a network ID 1, and we will demonstrate how to set the ID of each core from 1 to 4 using the random ID generation method. Let's confirm the USB and the power connection to the Titan 4VX. Open the Titan software and open the communication window. Click the Network Multi-ID Setup button. Let's click the Get Current ID button and see the list of Titan ID on the network, but since the ID of all the Titan core is 1, none will show up. Now let's proceed with the random ID generation method to set the individual ID. Choose the total number of nodes to 4, since there are 4 Titan cores. Click the Generate Random ID. This will generate 4 random ID numbers between 50 and 99 for the 4 Titan cores. To find out the random ID assigned to each core, we will use the LED feature available on the core. Click the first LED box for the first ID. You can see an LED that is blinking. Let's select a new ID to this core and click Assign. Follow the same process for the remaining 3 cores and assign to the desired network IDs. After you have completed assigning the IDs to the cores, click the Store to Flash All button to permanently store the IDs. Click the Power Cycle All to reboot the Titan cores. Click the Get Current ID button to see the newly assigned IDs. Now let us check the IDs and communication status of the cores. On the main screen, open the communication window. You can perform communication checks for each network ID to make sure they are connected. By the way, there are 2 more buttons on the bottom left. One is the Factory Reset All button, which is used to reset all the Titan cores to factory default, as well as reset the network ID to 1. The RS-485 Port 2 button will enable the RS-485 communication that is shared with the USB on the Titan 2VX and 4VX board. We hope that this tutorial gave you a good understanding of how to perform a multi-ID setup using a multi-axis Titan controller. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@arcusservo.com